Ever traveled to a faraway place to spend your holiday? You needed a reliable car to get you there, right? Marketing your cleaning business is a lot like having a car. Once you have one, you're all set. You just turn the key and off you go to your destination. But the problem is, you need a reliable car. You can't arrive at your destination if your car is a piece of junk and bound to break down. A lot of cleaning pros make the same mistake, costing themselves thousands in wasted money. Because of a limited marketing budget, they start off their journey with a rolling disaster destined for the junkyard. And by going with the cheapest solution, it eventually costs them a lot more over time. But what if you could get a perfectly engineered vehicle just for your journey to success at an affordable rate that you can easily fit into your budget? Introducing the perfect solution for your journey, the Cleaning Lead Machine, the ultimate marketing platform designed just for cleaning pros like yourself, giving you all you require for a safe, predictable, and profitable trip to success. With it, you'll get sales and SEO optimized cleaning website, $5,000 value. Battle-tested cleaning sales funnels, $2,500 value. Local SEO domination, $2,000 value. Tested and proven Google ad copy and keywords, $1,500 value. AI-driven cleaning chatbot, $1,000 value. Big brand-worthy social media management, $750 value. Custom-built cleaning CRM plus reporting dashboard, $500 value. Automated call tracking and recording, $250 value. Proven results and full-stack marketing team, priceless. This machine is guaranteed to work for you, and I'm so confident it will that if you're not satisfied with our work in the first 30 days, we'll give you a full refund. Not only that, but we will give you a full year free access to our Cleaning Business Growth VIP library, which is normally $564 a year. There's zero risk. So why not get started right now at cleaningleadmachine.com to see if you qualify for our exclusive turnkey system.